In this video, I will show you how you can fix Discord not opening or launching. Now in this particular video, I will be giving multiple solutions. Some solution might not work for you, but if you try all of them, one of them might work for you. Otherwise, the first one is fully quit and reopen Discord. So you just need to go for your task manager, and if your Discord constantly loading, you just need to right click and click on end task, and then you just need to double click on your Discord and see if the issue resolved or not. Otherwise, you have to simply right click and go for run as administrator and see if this method works for you or not. Now if the issue is still happening, the next step, you just need to press Windows plus R button on your keyboard, and now you just need to search for the percentage app data and then click OK. Now this is where either you can find the Discord or you can press Ctrl A and simply delete all of these cache file. Now once you are done with this, the next step will going to be disabling proxies and any kind of VPN. If you are specifically using VPN, you need to make sure to disable this. Also, one more solution that you can try is searching for CMD or command prompt, and then you just need to type this specific command, which is ipconfig flush DNS, and this is going to clear DNS cache. Simply hit enter and there you have it. If all of this solution didn't work, you need to uninstall and then reinstall your Discord again. So these were the methods of how you can fix Discord not opening.